welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a unboxing from Cloth and Paper. I am very excited for this order. It's just going to be a little refresh for my GM agenda and I think also my pocket. So we'll unbox this and then do a little planner update at the end. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so let's go ahead and let me adjust the frame. So I'm going to go through everything as I mentioned. I'll have links to everything below and my discount code for Cloth and Paper. But first off, we have these dot stickers. So I got the ones that had Bordeaux, Merlot, Fig Milk, and Cotton to go with the theme. And then I got a few things for my pocket planner. So we have the Ephemera dashboard. I have this in my personal and love it and wanted to put it in my pocket so that way I can also just tuck things in. And then I also got the envelope storage holder set, which I also got for my personal, want it for my pocket, so again I can use it for storage. So those two things. They came out with these tortoise shell sticky notes, so I picked up two of these to have them. I had a feeling they'd sell out, so I wanted to make sure that I had some, but I'm definitely gonna be using these for layering and everything. So two of those. And then I got two sets of half inserts. So what are these half page inserts? So the half page ritual inserts and then the half page task inserts. And then this is for my personal planner. I did get personal wide since it won't go fully across, but that way there was still a little bit more room to write. So I have those. And then two major things that are going to change up my agenda. So I got the time block stickers from Cloth and Paper. So y'all know I'm an hourly planner. I like to switch it up. And so what I really like about these is that they actually have the half hour written out and they have their own line. Some hourly inserts don't do that. So when I do like the half hour, I really love this style. So we have that. And then what I also like is that the weekend doesn't have time, so you can like write it in or just use it as a checklist. I primarily need it as a checklist, so that kind of works out great. So it's a little more flexible. So we're going to use these. And then, that's the thank you card. But then the newest item that was from not the most recent happy hour now at this point, but the one before that, are the ultra thin file tab monthly tab dividers in Bordeaux. So very excited for these. I love the color. It's one of my favorites and I think it's also going to be perfect for fall. And so we are going to throw those in the agenda as well as the new inserts and then switch a few things up, including updating the pocket with these two. So let me grab my pocket and then we'll do each planner. Let's start with the pocket planner. So we're just going to open up the new dashboard. I currently don't have one in here. And I think I shared in one of my most recent hauls that as of right now, I just have the monthly inserts from Cloth and Paper in here. And that's it, as well as some task inserts just to keep for notes and lists. So I really wanted to add just a cover, but then also these to be able to like throw cards and cash and different things in, and I really like them in my pocket. So here is the dashboard, and I love how this looks. I can grab my medium ring and show you all the difference, but I love the size of this and just how cute it is. That's like the best part about pocket, is that everything's so small and cute. And here is the envelope holder set. So we're just going to add all three to the front. I am going to put it behind this cover that I have. That's pretty old. And now I can like switch out my photos in here, kind of like what I do with my personal. And then I have some storage. And I might need to remove, do I have anything in the back? No, I don't. This will be stuffed, but it's perfectly okay. So here is the cover just behind the little protector. Oh no, that is way too much on here. I might have to remove the tabs, which I'm okay with. And actually, let's just do that on video because I'll just have a bookmark in here. Okay, yeah, that's a lot better. So here is, again, that dashboard in the pocket size. And then here it is in the personal size. So as I can see, I added a photo in here, and then this came in one of my most recent orders. Up front I just have some pictures of my son, but we're not sharing photos online, so just covering that up. But this is the difference in the dashboards for personal and pocket. And then that is everything for the pocket. So let's update the A5, which is what I'm most excited about. So I'm just going to clear everything out of the way, adjust everything a little bit better. Okay, so here's my current A5 setup. I've done an end of month flip. I have the Bordeaux pocket in here, and so I'm really excited to see what the tabs are going to look like with this. Let's grab the inserts. Okay, so we have that, and so currently for hourly, I was using these from Cloth and Paper. I go back and forth with using these. The top is just, I just need the hourly view pretty much, and as much as I love having the single hours, I want to try out the time block in here and remove this because it's kind of repetitive at this point. So we're going to take these out completely, and then I'm going to adjust where my tabs are. So right now it's vertical weeklies, hourly, and then a work section with notes in the back. And instead, the second section is going to be my work section. This is going to be my notes section. And then we're going to add in these. And then I think I'm going to put the hourly in here. This part might change. We will see. But I like the idea of using the monthly tabs with the undated to help like create a date. So we're in August, and I'm going to keep the full set in here just so I can still leave notes for pre-planning or use them as dashboards for pre-planning the new year since stuff's already popping up. But for now, let's just do 4 behind each tab. And then I was thinking of putting back in my monthly inserts. I just need to grab them. But they're, I think, in my archive right now, so I definitely just need to go and find them. So I'll do that in a separate video or show y'all in a planner flip. But for now, like I said, we're just going to put in these and call it good. 4. And put those there. Okay, so there is that, and then let's see how this looks together. I really like this look together, so let me bring it up to the camera. So I think that's really pretty. And then we can flip, and so we have the hourlies, we have my vertical weeklies, my work section, and then a separated note section, which I'm very happy to have. So that is the current flip and my most recent haul. And that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.